today at Target for, let me see, I'm trying to find the price on this. Oh, besides, if you forgot my name is Charlie. Sorry, I didn't do that very well. It's not on here. I don't really see it. Weird. So yes, I did get this at Target, and this box, very thick box, see that there? Little cover right there, and some ideas on how to play with it. So let's go into the minifigures. Alright, so this is our first one, our little, whoops. Alright, so we have this little minifigure cop here. My dad is zooming in right now on this little cop. And as you can see, he has a little pair of handcuffs to come with him. How do you think he's going to catch the, whoops. How do you think he's going to catch the robbers with no handcuffs? Good question. Speaking of robbers, here is our robber. A nice, well, looks like a nice evil dude with his little crowbar in his hand right there, if you can see it. This is money that our little criminals stole, and he's going to put in the little handcuffs. So that's enough about the minifigures, guys. And here we've got a little fence thing. Look down at that, a little fence. Legos can't come off, just sorry I didn't tell you these were Legos. But they are Legos. This is a little fence. And as you can see on the box here, look what it's for. Isn't that nice, huh? And then you also get this nice little motorcycle. This is one of my favorite things of the set, by the way. Because you have a little, here, a little space to carry some handcuffs or whatever you want to carry there. You know, earlier when I was playing with this today, the robber stole it and you could put little crowbars on that. Alright, so bye for now. I need to wrap it up now, my dad said. And so yeah, and that's the end of the video. And bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And just so you, if you forgot, you get this at Target. And all those police things are not molded in where it says police. It's actually a sticker, so bye guys.